Despite their volatility, the meme stock craze expands as more investors flock to these risky stocks. Even as global equities and cryptocurrencies quiver, meme stocks seem to be gaining steam again, thanks to never-ending retail trader excitement. These days, investors hunt for new brands with potential as meme stocks. Those that can take bigger risks are always looking for short-term opportunities in the market. That's all that we'll be looking at today. Which meme stock to buy? Remember to subscribe to the channel before we can start and get to look at the top 10 meme stocks to buy. Leave a comment and a like and share the video too. Without further ado, let's get started. Number 10. Apple, AAPL. Apple is a globally recognized corporation with a long history. It's one of the world's biggest corporations with significant growth potential. Apple is prominent due to its outstanding collection of innovative goods and services, including the iPhone, iPad, and Mac. It's also notable for making money from sources other than hardware sales. Apple has made money through services such as iCloud storage and Apple TV Plus subscriptions. At the start of the year, Apple became the first firm to reach a market capitalization of $3 trillion. Despite recent struggles, it made more than $34 billion in net profits. Apple has compensated for some of the drops in hardware sales by growing its services business, making it a perfect meme stock that you should consider. Number 9. Snowflake, Snow. Snowflake is a cloud-based data storage and analytics service that consumers may utilize. It provides a cost-effective alternative for businesses wishing to store and analyze data outside of their on-premise systems, which are generally restricted in scope and more expensive. The company's mission is to provide a scalable platform for storage and analytics to assist its clients in managing their data more effectively and efficiently. Meme stock lists often include high-growth startups like that of a software behemoth. The company's performance is primarily reliant on the quality of its reported results for the month. A little blunder might result in a significant drop in the stock price. Snowflake, on the other hand, is a highly fascinating company. It's an excellent bargain play if you're a risk-tolerant investor. Number 8. Tesla, TSLA. Tesla and its CEO Elon Musk are well known. Musk is a prominent public figure who has always been adept at attracting attention. As a result, it's no wonder that Tesla is now one of the most popular meme stocks in the world. According to analysts, Tesla was expected to deliver 267,000 cars in the fourth quarter of 2022. Nonetheless, the business delivered 308,500 automobiles. Tesla's shares dropped when Musk indicated that the business would suspend new product introductions until 2023. He claimed that Tesla's most significant current project is its humanoid robot. Tesla's stock has been doing poorly in recent months. It is, however, nothing new to our Wall Street bets traders who have followed Musk's bizarre statements over the years. Number 7. SPDR S&P 500 ETF Trust, SPY. The SPDR S&P 500 ETF Trust is an ETF that replicates the S&P 500 index. It has been operating for almost 2 decades and is one of the most popular ETFs in the world. People acquire it to gain exposure to U.S. equity markets or for protection. State Street Global Advisors founded SPY in 1993. In the present circumstances, SPY is perhaps the safest investment you can make. Why is that, you might wonder? We believe that this new investment trend indicates that Redditors are more willing to invest in businesses with diverse profiles. This provides investors with insight into trading tendencies of famous stock traders. So what's your thought on this meme stock? Would you consider it? Number 6. NVIDIA, NVDA. NVIDIA's popularity makes it the following meme stock on our list. I think NVDA stock is a good investment when it comes down to it. Although NVIDIA's current share price of $300 is higher than its median target price of $260, this is the case. This firm will report results after the market closes on November 17th. According to all indicators, NVIDIA's revenue for the quarter is expected to be about $6.83 billion. The company's sales would climb by 44.4% year over year from $4.73 billion. It's challenging to envision investors finding anything to criticize in those numbers. Over the previous 3 months, NVIDIA has increased 51%, while the PHLX Semiconductor Index, NASDAQ SOX, has only risen 16%. This stock is the cream of the harvest, not an unworthy recipient of some irrational rally. Number 5. Palantir, PLTR. Palantir offers predictive analytics, data integration, and big data analytics. Alex Karp and Peter Thiel launched it in 2004. Although the company's primary emphasis is security and military, it has expanded to include commercial customers in the private sector. Many companies, particularly law enforcement and government intelligence applications, utilize Palantir's tools to analyze enormous volumes of data. This is one of the most attractive investments for your portfolio because of its rapid development and tremendous potential. Are you looking for a high-growth opportunity? If so, this is an excellent option. Number 4. Sundial Growers, SNDL. Sundial Growers is a Canadian cannabis company that sells premium cannabis to adults. In mid-August, it revealed its second quarter results. The cannabis segment net revenue was CAD 9.15 million. Last year's second quarter net loss was 60.4 million CAD, compared to the 52.3 million CAD. Cash, marketable securities, and long-term investments totaled 1.1 billion Canadian dollars at the end of the quarter with no outstanding debt. As a result, the company's financial sheet should be able to keep operations afloat for the time being. Sundial Growers is the most popular penny stock among retail investors. SNDL stock is primed for a historic rush with 250,000 short positions. Unfortunately, its financials show that the company has over 98 million fresh warrants outstanding with a 1.50 exercise price. This means that even if SNDL stock rises beyond that level, warrant holders will almost certainly exercise their options, significantly restricting the company's upward potential. The stock of SNDL is now trading at roughly 64 cents per share. In numerous instances, the stock rose to $1.50 or higher, and it even reached $3.96 in February 2022. SNDL stock is up 32% year-to-date and 173% year-to-date. Compared to many of its contemporaries, it has a high value, with shares trading at roughly 20 times revenues. Number 3. Ford, F. Play the long game with Ford and F stock next on this list. Why? Because although Ford might decrease sequentially between Q3 and Q4, growth is ahead. In the first quarter of 2022, sales will drop 7.2% to $33.4 billion. At the same time, the company's sales should increase significantly in 2022, reaching almost $144 billion. This is a huge increase above the $127 billion forecast for 2021. This corporation is significantly invested in the electric vehicle EV revolution, with EVs expected to account for 40% of sales by 2030. For that purpose, it just upped its investment in electrification in 2025 to $30 billion on the low end. Furthermore, the Ford F-150 is a consistent top seller. This year, it will continue to be the best-selling car in the United States. However, investors should pay special attention to the Ford F-150's electrified variant. The corporation has had to raise its investment to keep up with the demand. Overall, this meme stock choice seems to have a bright future. Number 2. Amazon, AMZN. Amazon is one of the most prominent online merchants in the United States and the world, and a lucrative investment opportunity. In the early 1990s, Jeff Bezos created Amazon. Customers wanted to be able to purchase from anybody, anywhere globally at any time. Since then, the tech behemoth has been seen as a disruptor in various sectors. It began with books and has now extended to include gadgets, apparel, and toys. The online retailer and cloud services behemoth seldom step on the wrong foot. In Q4, things were no different. After good sales from its cloud operations and investment in electric vehicle, EV car maker Rivian Automotive, Amazon posted results above expectations. On the Nasdaq, it's RIVN. Amazon's advertising business has taken off and is bringing in the big bucks. Because the firm is quickly increasing, it's possible that our Wall Street Bets is also interested in this mega cap stock. Number 1. Meta Platforms, FB. Meta Platforms, the parent company of Facebook and Instagram, had a poor financial season. It's an unusual hiccup for Meta, previously known as Facebook. Generally seen as a reliable performer, after Facebook stated that changes to Apple's privacy policy would reduce Meta's income by around $10 billion in 2022, the stock plunged 26%. On the other hand, the euphoria of Reddit might be due to something else. Meta invested $10 billion in the metaverse in 2021, but few possibilities offer more promise. Metaverses will play a significant role in Web 3.0, the next internet generation. User-generated content, peer-to-peer networks, and open data make it more decentralized and participative. It also offers a lot of innovative technology and open-source platforms that may help enhance the conventional web. There you go, the top 10 and most lucrative meme stocks that you can purchase now. Among these, which one do you think have the most potential? Which one would you consider? Please let us know in the comments section. Let's engage. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Until the next one, stay tuned and stay safe.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.